Hello everyone, it's Monday, so it's TA time with CrypTom. Just the usual disclaimer, guys. I'm not a financial advisor. This shouldn't be taken as an advice. This is just me ranting about Bitcoin and what I'm expecting Bitcoin to do. And yeah, that's it. It's only for entertainment purposes, okay? Yeah, not even education. Anyway, yeah, I do have to start with an apology to everyone because anyway, due to technical reasons, I wasn't able to actually upload the Friday's episode, and unfortunately, I couldn't save it either. So yeah, it's gone forever. So yeah, anyway, sorry guys. It is available in Hungarian, but I don't think so that would help anyone. Yeah, not being able to speak Hungarian, and let's be honest, not a lot of people speak Hungarian in the world. So yeah, so sorry about that. Anyway, so well, let's dive into it and talk about Bitcoin. So so this is the area that we've been looking at for quite a while now. The price actually bounce from here, and we expected the price to come up to all the way to the 9,200 area, which is this area, so that shouldn't be a surprise to anyone. That's what we've been discussing for a while now, and that's what our price did. I mean, like, it hasn't actually reached it, so our level was 9,240 and the price come up to 9,169. So yeah, so there is about $80 difference, so even less than 1%. So yeah, so we were quite good on it. So let's go down to the weekly, because the weekly just closed, and our weekly levels were, the support and resistance area was 73 to 77. We expected the price to move away from it once it actually breaks it. It broke it, closed above, then moved away from the 9,200 area, and it actually closed below our resistance level. So what are we expecting from the price to do now? As I said on Friday, but you weren't able to listen to it because because of a rookie mistake I made. Anyway, I was expecting the price to come back to 8,200 area. It didn't actually come back all the way down to 82, but it doesn't mean that the movement has ended, and I still believe that we have a good chance to for the price to come back to 8,200 level. Anyway, it's clear that we closed below the resistance level. That doesn't mean that we cannot actually weak it and come back down, but I'm not expecting the price to go further up just now. Okay, so that's the weekly, and that's the daily. Just to go back to the previous, the week before the last, and that was our area. So the price actually respected the 75% and then moved away from it, and it was hovering above, and then it perfectly retested the top of it and moved away very quickly yesterday, and now the price is basically, as discussed, below our resistance level. Where is this coming from? As we talked about, this range was the range that we expected the price to come back once it actually broke the 7,800 on the daily, and that's what it did. It broke the 78, retested it and moved away from it, and now we are back to our range, and that's what we expected from it to do. So now I'm expecting the price still to come back to this level. I hope that the price is going to come back to this level, because that would be a really nice area to see what the price is about to do, whether it decides to bounce from here or just hover around. I don't know, we'll see. Anyway, what I'm expecting is, as I said, come back down here, maybe a week down, bit of hovering around here, and move away from this level. So that's what I'm expecting from Bitcoin to do. But do our ranges. So last week's low and high, it's from the 13th of Jan until the 19th, which was yesterday. Cool. So that's our top and that's our low. And as you can see, the price was hovering around in between the 50 and the 75%, went up and came all the way down. Okay, so what are we expecting from the price to do? As discussed, we want the price to come back to this area. Wick all the way down is allowed. Yeah, we're expecting the price to move away from here. Okay, so that's what I'm looking at. Yeah, nothing new under the sun, guys. Yep, that's all about it about Bitcoin. It certainly has been really nice and good to trade. The weekend was very busy as well. It's not because of the huge price movements, but it's about what actually happened on the chart. Just briefly what I've done and what I wanted to do and what I couldn't, and I stuffed up. Anyway, so oh yeah, because you didn't get the Friday one. Anyway, so what I did was I actually went long when we broke this level, and I went long just above here on the retest, on the second retest of the level, and I was expecting it to hold, but it didn't actually. So it was hovering around down, came up here, and I got out. Because to be honest, I expected this to be a fake out and the price to collapse. It didn't happen, obviously. Well, the issue was with this trade was that I could have waited until the price came down and retested at least this level. I actually couldn't wait for it. I'm like, for whatever reason, I don't know. I decided to go with my my resistance level instead. The other one was on the weekend. Yes. Because I wanted to put my holdings into a hedge, and I was expecting the price to come up this level. Then I removed my hedge because I went long here in this area when I could see the price was coming back to this level. Okay, just to make clear what I was looking at is this level. So when I saw the price was coming back and it actually attracted the price, this level attracted the price, and we couldn't actually take out the lows, I decided that I would go long, so I did that. I went long on this, but for whatever reason, I was aiming to, I mean, not for whatever reason, because that's the monthly resistance that we had a look at and we've been eyeing for a while now, the 9,240 level. I put my my cells and my hedge above 9,200 just a bit. So I was expecting for a week and I wanted to get into a hedge on that week, and unfortunately it moved away quite far and I wasn't in front of my computer, so I didn't see what happened. So I'm partially in hedge, sold some spot and bought back on this week, a bit of spot, but yeah, I would love to be balls deep in hedge, but anyway, it is what it is. Okay, so what I'm expecting from the price, as we discussed, price should come down, retest this area, that would be really nice, and move away from it. I'd say even a week is allowed to 88, 8900 and the price coming back down. I would love to see that too. If the price is starting to move back to 9,000 and above, then that was it. That was all the retrace that we got in this move. I don't think that was it, but we've seen this so many times with Bitcoin. I think everyone remembers this. So that was all the retrace that we had, all the way from 4,000 all the way up to 74. Yep, that was all our retrace and moved away from it. So yeah, you never know with Bitcoin, eh? You just never know. Okay, we could talk about other altcoins as well. I don't know. Ether, I had a look at Ether and I believe that this area is key for us right now. This is our weekly support resistance area. As you can see that the price was This area was holding the price down for a while, and then it finally broke out. Then it retested it, moved away from it, retested it, moved away a little bit, and sliced through, and we came back and tested to the dot basically. So I don't know how much we missed on that. My area was 179.39 and our top price was 178.97. That's 42 cents difference. Yeah, that's not too bad. So I would expect the price to come down a little bit, test this low again, or test this level 150, 155 ish area, and move away from it and retest the high of this resistance area. That would be a really nice setup, and a long setup as well if we got that retrace. And yeah, yeah, even this area as well would be nice. 143. Let's see. I still believe that this wasn't enough of a retrace. We cannot even say that this is a higher low. This is more like a higher high after these highs. So we need a higher low form somewhere. And that's what I'm expecting from the price to do, to come all the way down to 150-ish area and form a higher low and move away from it. So yeah, Ether Classic, really nice move as discussed. Yep, but you didn't hear it, sorry guys. So yeah, so as I discussed with the Hungarian audience, it had almost 100% move in the last 2-3 weeks. We had a massive spike. That's not always good news. But as you can see that we are retesting this area. If this one didn't hold, then we might go down here, or we stop at 6-ish area. Anyway, we'll see what's going to happen. I hope this wasn't just it and it still have some move in it. We'll see what's going to happen. Okay, so that's about it. Yeah. Oh, by the way, Australian audience, yes guys, so you are not alone. So with the restriction on the use of cash, as discussed in the previous episodes, I'm pretty onto it, and I still believe in freedom, and that people would be able to have control over their finances, and they shouldn't be actually forced into banking, where the banking can do whatever they want and debank people if they don't want to do anything with them. And I've learned that in Lebanon now they don't allow people to take out their foreign currencies if they have savings in foreign currencies, which is crazy. Oh yeah, and everyone said that should never happen, and it happened. So anyway, let's get back to Bitcoin. Still expecting it to come back to 8200 level, and I want to see the price or this area to act as support, and I would like to see the price coming back to the 9200 area and finally break it and go all the way above, unless this area fails and we go all the way down. Anyway, I don't think so that's going to happen just yet. So yeah, as I said, I'll be back on Friday. That's the usual TA time with CrypTom. Please subscribe, like, comment, share, whatever. Yeah, if anything happens, I'll be back on midweek on Wednesday-ish. But anyway, yeah, that's it. Thank you very much, guys. Thanks for your attention, and let me know what you think, what your thoughts are. Okay, thank you. Bye.